Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and this is one of my absolute favorite lip balms. This is the Naked Bee Orange Blossom Honey Lip Balm. This stuff is amazing. It is so good. It really makes your lips feel nourished and moisturized. And I love that it is made with high quality ingredients and none of the yucky stuff that you don't want to put on your skin. So it's made with olive oil and honey and natural extracts, and it just does an amazing job. So when you open it up, you can smell the honey, you can smell the orange, and it smells amazing. And when you go ahead and apply it to your lips, it glides on super smooth and it just coats them in this luxurious moisture and it feels incredible. So if you're like me and you often have dry or chapped lips, this stuff is incredible. It's gonna change your life. You're gonna wanna have it in every bag. You're gonna wanna have it in all of your pockets so that you always have it on hand. I am a huge fan of this lip balm. It's awesome. That's my point of view.